You'll love this 2008 Dodge Ram 3500. This is a car you'll want to take home. With 18,388 miles, it features automatic transmission and an exterior color of brilliant black crystal PRL. Call us and be the first to open the car door today.